Welcome to AllAnimals, where we uncover the wild's coolest secrets. Ever seen an owl spin its head almost all the way around? How? Nope, they cannot turn their heads in a full circle. But they can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, almost 3/4 of a full circle. They have got 14 neck vertebrae, twice as many as humans, and special arteries that stretch without cutting off blood flow. Why? Because owls cannot move their eyes, so they have to move their whole head to look around. This is AllAnimals. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wild with us.